come here instead of going to hop in junkyards this morning. So we'll see how it goes. We're just going to have fun today. We're not ready to run. My girl's building her 351 Cleveland, and I got my 460 and a Fox body. I'll give you some pictures of that later. Bye. Neighbor's uncle. Another one on the trail. We're making our trip to the auto parts store. We're gonna get some brake cleaner, some degreaser, and of course, what else?
Oh.
WD-40. So,
Can't work without it.
Can't work without it. Gotta have it clean, gotta have it lubricated.
Always.
What you doing, baby?
It's coming off. It's just those corners right in there. Oh. Not like these two.
Yeah, it's getting nice and clean.
As clean as I want it.
Yeah, when I had this motor in the other car, I had problems at number 8 cylinder. It kept wiping the lobe on a flat tappet cam on number 8 cylinder. So that must be where I got that problem right there at. So that's why we're going to go with a roller cam on this one. Anybody got any ideas? Hit us up. But if not, we're just going to go with like a 600 and some lift roller cam and put it on the street. Thank you. Bye. Hey guys, look what we got back from the machine shop today. Becky's 351 pink block and her freshly ground crankshaft. She's a happy girl.
Yes, I am. Thank you, baby.
This thing will be pushing about 450, 500 horsepower. And we don't have a car for it yet. But we'll have a finished motor. Baby?
Yes, sir.
What are you doing?
Putting these washers on. Yes.
All the bearings are in and lubricated?
Yes.
Okay.
We did that.
We did that.
We did that. Not me.
Yeah. So,
I did the hard part.
I know. She put the studs in all by herself and torqued them down.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
What's going on now?
I'm torquing down these rod bolts.
Okay.
Isn't that what you told me to say?
No. Oh yeah, I guess so.
I heard you.
I know. But either way, what are you torquing them down to? Remember what?
45.
45 psi,
Yeah.
correct.
So,
All right.
yeah, I remember that. I was
So-
just messing with you.
So far, we got 8 of them in there. I mean, 4 of them. So,
Making me laugh now.
making her own pit crew.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I thought I was gonna have people wait on me.
Wait on you?
Yeah, thought I was gonna have my own pit crew.
Yeah. Well, Miss Becky just went to get lunch. This is my project. 460. Board 30 over. 11 and a quarter to 1 pop-ups. 663 hydraulic roller cam. Oversized stainless steel valves, a Tonorama, 2 660 center squirters on it. I got an electric water pump. I got Mallory and on there. And I'll be running a 5,000 stall speed on there. And this is my Fox body. A lot of work that needs to be done in it. But it is what it is. I'm getting there. It's a lot closer than it used to be.